period of time. Whatever little time I have been with you, howsoever I have known you, I have, felt the same drive and the same passion to teach you all, the same, companionship and comradeship. I might have complained a number of times to your parents about some or the other detail that's missing, about maybe attendance, about maybe lack of completion, or about maybe your general overall take as a student. But all said and done, the fact that you are children, the fact that you are with me, under me this year, I feel very, very blessed to have youngsters with me, youngsters who share, youngsters who have a voice, youngsters who have an opinion, and youngsters who do not shy away from sharing. So, on this occasion of Children's Day, I wish you, I hope that you have a great future, great life ahead, and I hope that that great future and that great life is blessed in every way and you feel rewarded. Now, as you can see on your screen, that there are certain, certain, what should I say, quotes by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, if we are talking about Children's Day, it is very natural that we'll talk about Chacha Nehru also. And so, what he said about education, dear students, it applies wholly and completely to the fact that we are on our way to study, learning, which is going to spell progress for us. You are learning, your parents have put you in an institution that cares about your education, about your learning, about the inculcation of the right values in life. And for that, I suppose we should be grateful to parents, all of you. You should be, and I think you are. And at the same time, uh, understand that you are in safe hands, you are in the right hands, and your future is very secure. So I'm here primarily to wish you, but at the same time, I do not want it to sound like a lecture of sorts, because I want you to be sharing what your thoughts would be on the occasion of Children's Day. Would anyone like to?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ritika.
ma'am, this was our last Children's Day, so we really wanted to celebrate this one in school, but now we
I
are.
know. I know, I know, Vritika. See, I'll tell you something. I can hear the pain in your voice, but there's a program that is being put together by teachers for you. I, of course, am not a part of it because I'm not much of a talented person like many of you are. I'm a very ordinary person. So, but there are people who are putting it up together for you, and that program shall be, for you to watch on Sunday because 14th happens to be Diwali. And other than that, yes, I do miss out on the treat that I used to be a part of with the children on Children's Day. We used to make some arrangements as class teachers. We used to arrange for some eatables and stuff, and we would all enjoy this day. So that is, of course, missing. But I promise you, when we are together as a class, when everybody is together, and when this corona thing is taken care of and the vaccine is there and we are all together in the school, then I shall make up for the deficit. Obviously, you shall get a treat, everybody. And let me promise you that the treat shall be better than what you have been than what we have been doing so far, because now you all deserve a lot better. As Ritika has rightly said, that this is the last year that you have in school and all occasions are passing you by. So let me, what we can do at our ends is hope for a fulfilling life and catch up on the times that have bygone. And my way, I promise you a treat when we meet all together, all of us in the school. But thank you for sharing, Ritika. Anybody else? See, this is a time where you can all let your hair down. You can all talk and you can all share. So I'm inviting you, please. I have had this, I have scheduled this meeting with that intention in mind. I do not want to give you some kind of a lecture or a pravachan because that we keep doing when we take classes. I want to hear from you what your thoughts on Children's Day this year are.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vansh?
my thoughts on Children Day this year that, ma'am, after this we will not be children, ma'am, because we will go to college, and this is the last year that we are going to be
Yes.
celebrating Children's Day. And means
Yes,
now,
yes, 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 child. You will be in college. You will bring a lot of pride and prestige to the school, to your family. You will be doing great things. You'll be shaping your lives. See, Vansh, nothing happens overnight. Suddenly you will leave the school and suddenly you'll be successful. Life does not function like that. You will have to give your life some years whereby you can, do good things to your life, where you can find the calling of your heart, what your heart tells you to do, what your mind tells you to do, where you think that you'll be able to make some headway in life. So obviously you'll be doing that. And since, as I said, we couldn't celebrate this year in the manner in which we do it in school, so obviously I wanted to meet you all. Please do not be despondent or discouraged. We are with you. As for the program, that will reach you on Sunday. And as for the treat, I have already committed myself that you shall be subject to it as and when we join the school. So please don't feel pessimistic, Vansh and Ritika. Please don't feel pessimistic. Have heart and believe in God. Everything happens for a reason. So maybe there is something that God is wishing to tell us through the corona pandemic.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else wishes? Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's nice to see you all agreeing and you understand, you mature. It's very helpful. So, which is why I just absolutely like each one of you because I mean, every individual, every child has to be understood, and every child's tender feelings they should be recognized, and that is how I see it as a one-to-one contact. Some of you might not say anything, but actually the fact that you have chosen to be present over here, the fact that you're actually with me, then that means a whole lot, isn't it? And that should be enough. But I would still invite some more students to share if they feel anything and if they wish to say something. Please feel free. Your thoughts on Children's Day and about anything in general. Anybody sharing it?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to say that this time, since the Children's Day is falling on the Diwali itself, which is a very auspicious
Yeah.
festival for all of us, so
Hmm.
I would like to suggest that we all children do not burn crackers this time because it would harm the people who have corona or other lung problems, and we light diyas, which are symbolic of Diwali, not firecrackers. So that would be good for the
Yes,
environment and
yes.
others.
Awesome. Very nice. Very well said. Again, Kushagra, very well said. Now, how many of us do you think we agree with what Kushagra has to say?
Yes, ma'am, we agree.
yes,
I know we are
Yes, ma'am.
against crackers.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Ayush
We
Yadav is
do
raising his
agree.
hand. Yeah, we do agree. Very nice. Very well said, Kushagra. I wish more of you would talk and share and for us to hear your lovely voices. Shreya, are you trying to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had to say that we really feel very grateful that we have teachers like, you all who are trying so hard to like make us feel normal on even the pandemic situation for the days
Hmm.
which mean
Hmm.
so much for us. Thank you so much, Sam.
Hmm.
It really like means
Oh,
a
how
lot.
sweet. Oh, how sweet, Shreya. As sweet, your words as sweet as you are. And wonderful if we can understand the blessings that we have rather than complaining. Of course, complaints are also there. If you have a complaint, I would love to hear your complaint also because that is life. It is a mixture of joys, sorrows, happiness, demoralization. There are so many things that are happening in our lives, each one of our lives, and precisely that is why, children, I have wanted you here with me so that we are all bound together as one, so that you feel that in spite of the distance that separates us, my thoughts are aligned completely. They are in complete, utter alignments with your thoughts. And I wish that you believe that, and I hope that you have this faith and this trust in me as your teacher, and faith and trust in the institution where you study. Nothing is hanky panky here, everything is clear, everything is transparent. Our principal believes in it, and so do all of us, which is why I wanted to meet you and to hear from your ends. Is anybody else also sharing? All right. Can I please ask you to give me, let's play a small game before we wind up the class. I'll ask you all to give me a word each associated with Children's Day and its celebration. It is not a compulsory game. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you can't. It's up to you. But I would love to see you all. I would love to hear your voices as we play this game. One word associated with Children's Day that comes to your mind. Just one word. Interested, anybody?
Ma'am, in a sense.
Oh, innocence. Okay. Aishwarya understood you are innocent. So maybe that's why the first word that has come to you is innocence. I remember you coming to me telling me that, ma'am, this is the attendance because you couldn't take it. So here it is. So yes, coming from you, it means that yes, you are full of innocence. And that is what you have thought of on Children's Day. The others, anybody else?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am, childhood.
Childhood. Yes, of course. You people are still, you're mature, but you're still children at heart. I'm sure your parents do treat you like that. So, Ananya, very well said. Childhood, you are on the brink. It is like crossing the bar between the school and life. That is, the harbor is the school, life is the world, and you have to cross this bar, this last year, this ridge, to be able to move out into the sea of life. So, metaphorically speaking, it is a transition from schooling to adulthood. Well said. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
notorious.
celebrations.
Couldn't hear you all, Prasun Pratap Singh.
Ma'am, celebrations.
Celebration, absolutely. Children's Day and celebration, they are akin to one another. One cannot be segregated from the other. And when we meet, I promise you, we shall celebrate in the form of a treat. The program will, of course, come to you. There were other hands also, other children were talking.
Ma'am, notorious.
Ishank, notorious is all right. But do you, I mean, I don't know. Do you think you are notorious? Ishank, yourself?
No, ma'am.
No, but you have other people around you who you think are notorious. Is it like that? I will not ask you the names.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very sweet. But you are hardly notorious because your attendance, the way you are sending me the attendance for the Hindi classes, the way you are keeping that faith that Bajpayee ma'am has in you. So you are the antonym of, you are everything that the antonym of the word notorious that strikes your mind is. Lovely. Anybody else?
Ma'am, kindness.
Maybe aesthetic.
All right. Ujjwal said kindness, lovely, very nice because I have seen your kindness on varied occasions. I have seen your generosity when called to the occasion. So, yes. Janvi, you said something?
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. All right. So, because you have that kind of taste, and I have also seen you at work, so I'm sure that the word that you said is very close to what you actually are and what you actually believe in and what you actually uphold. So, I agree with what you have to say in complete terms. Anybody else?
Ma'am, helpful.
Helpful. Yes, yes, you all are mighty helpful. I have seen that same help being rendered to me also. So if you can be helpful to me as a teacher, because I'm on the other side of the fence, and I'm sure that you are helpful to one another. Ayush Shukla tells me cuteness and true feelings. Yes, Ayush Shukla, I do agree. Cuteness is in each one of you, and feelings also are in each one of you because you people are very sensitive. My reading of you all is that you are very, very sensitive to circumstances and you are very, very mature. It's a wonder to see how mature you are and how responsibly you behave. So, Rishabh, want to say something?
Energetic and enthusiastic.
Yes, of course. Energetic and enthusiastic is absolutely correct. I do agree. You are a bundle of energy. And this year, unfortunately, that energy is not being spent out there on the field. And enthusiasm, I can already see it is here when you're talking to me. So, yes, of course, enthusiastic. Anybody, anything else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
fondness.
positivity.
Fondness, I heard from Ritika. Fondness for celebrations, etc. Fondness and zest for life. True. Who else had said something? Positivity, I
Yes,
heard. Was it Udit?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, positivity. Yes, of course, understand. Nothing remarkable can happen till we have a positive approach to life. So, Aditya, it's all right. You are there. You are apologizing for your late arrival, but let me tell you, I'm only trying to kind of share with the children their feelings on Children's Day, and I'm wishing everybody a very happy Children's Day. And what you have in front of you on the screen is Pandit Nehru's version of Children's Day and true education. You all are on the right track. Anybody else wishes to say something before I kind of wind up?
Development award for children.
Yes, of course, development. Why not? Steady development is happening in you all. It's happening physically also. It is happening mentally. It is happening psychologically. So, that kind of development is happening in you. And I'm sure that well rounded personalities you will be later on in life if you pursue at what you want to achieve in life. I'm sure you will go places bunch. Well said again. Do I
Ma'am,
have any more
exuberant,
reaction?
lively. Yes, ma'am. Exuberant, lively, and bubbly, full of energy.
Yeah, bundles of energy, Kushan, exuberant. Unless we are exuberant, unless we are enthusiastic, unless we are positive, unless we are keen, and unless we look forward to things, nothing can come of it. So I'm glad to see that you are exuberant as well. exuberance. I can feel it. I can feel it radiating through so many of you. I believe in you, dear children. I am, going to miss you at the end of the session. I'll be more binded and more connected, and I'm going to miss you irrespective of the fact that we've had, very few classes where we have met one another. But then, whatsoever it is, exuberance is a trait. Nitish, what do you mean by the future? Can you elaborate? Don't want to, it seems. Okay, so looking forward to the future, I think, is what Nitish is trying to say. And yes, the future will beckon you with its arms outstretched. So, my wishes as you meet your future and you cross the path. Shreya, trying to say something?
Ma'am, I wanted to say that Children's Day has always been for me about my school, because it is where it has always been celebrated, and I haven't really seen Children's Day being celebrated outside. So my school is the place I always connect Children's Day with.
Yeah, I know. I know. And school is the place where we have this connection. Maybe our parents wish us on this day, or maybe we get bars of chocolates, etc. on this day. But I think that is about it. And beyond that, we don't really celebrate. Yes, what you have said is very right. So I think all of you celebrate, I mean, all of you think, when you think in terms of Children's Day, then you cannot help thinking in terms of the school as well. Absolutely. I agree with you 100%. Is anyone saying anything?
Ma'am, I wanted to thank you for this session because,
Okay.
because from the time this we have entered class 12, nothing as such has
Mm,
happened where we are interacting this way, except for the teachers.
mm,
We haven't really interacted as a class this way. So thank you so much for this
mm.
affectionate session.
See, Aishwarya, I'll tell you something. You have said it in all your innocence, but what I'll share with you is that I am always open to this. Anytime you wish to meet together on this platform as a class, sometimes we have fears in life, sometimes we have apprehensions in life. As you said, Aishwarya, every year you do come to school, you connect with your teachers, your class teachers, your subject teachers, but this year, other than the Teachers' Day, it has not happened. So, what I suggest is that anytime you all feel that as a class, or maybe only as a group, suppose 10 people feel that you need to connect, so please tell me, let me know. I shall connect with you. Your parents feel like connecting, they can connect. You feel like connecting, you can connect. At least let us reap the benefits of online system that we have now gotten used to. So, Aishwarya, I am not averse to these sessions. I would love to conduct them. I would love to participate in them, would love to be a part of you all, and would love to do anything and everything that can help you or that can make you any happier. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I think that is about it, and I am prepared to wind this up. Thank you all for being here, for being present over here. Thank you all for having given this kind of respect to the fact that if you've been asked to be there, you are there, and there could be something that could be of importance or of utility. So it was just my way of wishing you a happy Children's Day, and that is about it.